Hello everyone, welcome to GS Academy. In this video, we are going to study remaining questions related to proportion. Find the third proportional to. First question is 25, 15. So here we will write it down as let the third proportional to 25, 15 be x. So this can be written as 25 is to 15 is as 15 is to x. Now in order to find the value of x, we will take product of means is equals to product of extremes. So this will be 15 into 15 is equals to 25 into x. So this will be x is equals to 15 into 15. We will shift this 25 here. So this will be upon 25. So 5 3s are, 5 5s are, 5 1s are and 5 3s are. So the third proportional to 25, 15 will be 9. Now let's see the second one. Here it will be 36 is to 12 is as 12 is to x. So in order to find the value of x, we will write it down as 12 into 12 is equals to 36 into x. In order to find the value of x, we will write it down as x is equals to 12 into 12. We will shift this 36 here. So this will be upon 36. So 12 ones are, 12 threes are, 3 ones are, 3 fours are. So our value for third proportional will be 4. Now let's see the next example. So 1.2 and 0.6. So this can be written as 1.2 is to 0.6 is as 0.6 is to x. So this will be written as 0.6 into 0.6 is equals to 1.2 into x. In order to find the value of x, we will shift this 0.2 here. So this will be 0.6 into 0.6 upon 1.2 is equals to x. So 0.6 ones are and this is 2s are. This will be 2 ones are and 2 0.3s are. So the value for third proportional for the third question will be 0.3. Now let's see the next question. So this can be written as 1 upon 9 is to 2 upon 3 is as 2 upon 3 is to x. So this can be written as 2 upon 3 into 2 upon 3 is equals to x into 1 upon 9. Now in order to find the value of x, we will shift this fraction here. So this can be written as x is equals to 2 upon 3 into 2 upon 3 will be as it is. 1 upon 9 will become 9 upon 1. So this will be 3 ones are, 3 threes are, 3 ones are, 3 ones are. So the third proportional for the fourth question will be 4. Now let's see the next question. Show that 6, 36 and 216 are in continued proportion. In order to check whether these numbers are in continued proportion or not, we will write it down as 6 is to 36 is as 36 is to 216. Now we can use this formula, product of means is equals to product of extremes. So this will be written as 36 into 36 is equals to 6 into 216. Now if the product of these two numbers are equal, then we can say that 6, 36 and 216 are in continued proportion. Now let's multiply 36 with 36. So this will be 6 6 are 36, carry over 3, 6 3s are 18, 6 3s are 18. So this will give us 36 plus 3 39, carry over 3, 3 3s are 9 plus 3 is 12. So this will be 1296 is equals to, we will multiply 6 with 216. So 6 into 6 gives us 36, carry over 3, 6 ones are 6 plus 3 is 9 and 6 twos are is 12. So both the products are equal. That means 6, 36 and 216 are in continued proportion. Now let's see the next question here. If 6 books cost rupees 615, how much do 10 books cost? Now here there are two important parameters, books and cost. So In order to solve this question, we will make this table. So first parameter is of books and second parameter is of cost. So 6 books cost was 615 and 10 books cost is, we will consider the value as X here. So we will use the same formula. Ratio of number of books is equals to ratio of their cost. So ratio of books will be 6 upon 10 is equals to ratio of their cost. So this will be 615 upon X. Now in order to find the value of X, we will shift this X here. So this will become 6 upon 10 into X is equals to 615. We will shift this fraction here. So this will become X is equals to 615 into, it will become 10 upon 6. So we will cut this as 3 2s are 6, 0, 3 5s are 15, 2 1s are and 2 5s are. So this will be 205 into 5. So our answer will be 5 5s are 25 to 10. So the cost for 10 books will be rupees 1025. Now let's see the next question. If 8 pens cost rupees 356, what is the cost of 14 pens? So again we will make the chart. First parameter will be pen and next will be cost. So cost for 8 pens is 356 and cost of 14 pens will be X, as the value for 14 pens is missing. So this will be again ratio of number of pens is equals to ratio of their cost. So we will write it down as 8 upon 14 is equals to 356 upon X. In order to find the value of X, again we will shift this here and this fraction here. So this will be X is equals to 356. Now while shifting this fraction, it becomes reciprocal. So this will be 14 upon 8. So 2 4s are, 2 7s are, 4 1s are, 4 8s are is 32, here 3, 4 9s are is 36. So this will be 89 into 7. So while multiplying 89 with 7, we will get this as 7 9s are 63, carry over 6, 7 8s are is 56 plus 6 is 62. So cost for 14 pens will be 623. I hope this concept is clear. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. The Instagram handle is mentioned here. Thank you.